Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Open Excel for Microsoft 365 or launch Excel Mobile on your device. Create a new workbook or open the existing sheet where you want text. Select the Data tab at the top of the window. Choose from Picture and pick Picture from File or from Clipboard. You may also use Camera on mobile to capture a printed page directly. Pick a JPG, PNG, or BMP file and confirm the selection to upload the image into Excel. Once the image uploads, Excel runs optical character recognition on the picture. The app displays a preview pane with the recognized text and suggested cell layout. Click or tap Review Results to inspect how lines and columns converted. Scroll through the preview to find misread characters and wrong numbers. Manually correct any text and adjust delimiters or column breaks as needed. Confirm the clean preview so Excel can insert. After reviewing, choose Insert Data to place the recognized text into worksheet cells. Excel transfers text and basic layout into the active sheet starting at the selected cell. Apply number formats, date formats, and text wrap to restore proper display. Adjust column widths and use text to columns for custom delimiters if necessary. Verify formulas or totals that depend on converted numbers. Save the workbook and export, or copy the clean data to other sheets or files as needed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.